Hello? Hello? Hello, children. I'm Professor Bison, and you are receiving a new episode of Zebra Science Corner. Why zebra? Because the zebra is the most efficient camouflage in nature. Today, children, we're going to talk about just how stupid the average American really is. Today's episode is brought to you by Snuggle. Did you know that most Americans put their clothes in a washing machine? This one costs $2, and right next to it is a sink. The water that comes out of it is free. But you see, people think a washing machine does a better job because it has an agitator. That's what an agitator does. So you could spend $2 or do it yourself for 17 cents. Oh, but then some might say, there's a spin cycle. Do you know what the spin cycle does, children? It gets the water out of the clothing so it will dry faster. I'm draining the water now. Basically does the same thing as the spin cycle, except they're a little more damp. So they won't dry as fast as if you put them in the washing machine. Now, we go over here. This is what they call it. Clothing dryer. $1.75. What I do after they drain for free, I put them on hangers for free, and I hang them on a pipe or a stick or a closet or whatever you can hang a hanger on. And then they're dry in approximately 3 hours. And that didn't even cost 17 cents. So, children, don't forget to throw your money away. basically what you're doing. Brought to you by Snuggle. And don't forget Starbucks Frappuccino. Go to the gas station right now. You can buy a Frappuccino for $3.50. Or what's that? Oh my. It's fun. It's fun to save money. I'm going to make a Frappuccino at home. It's going to cost me approximately 17 cents. So remember, children, don't be stupid. Love you. Don't forget to be good to your kittens and cats and dogs. Professor Bison saying things